Hello and welcome to my channel, friends. Today we are going to learn about the remaining parts of speech. So let's start the video without wasting time. Come on. So friends, what are pronouns? So the pronouns is a word which replaces noun. For example, Sudeep is a boy. Sudeep plays cricket. So we can use pronoun in the given sentence just like this. Sudeep is a boy. He plays cricket. So we have replaces Sudeep as he and use he, a pronoun, in place of Sudeep. So I hope you have learned what are pronouns. Verbs. We define verb as an action word. Let's take an example. Dheeraj is talking. So here in the given sentence, talking is a verb and the verb is essential in a sentence. Adverb. Adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb. For example, the Millennium Park is quite nice for outings. Here, quite is an adverb. So now adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describes more about nouns. For example, I will make some tea for you. Some is the adjective here and it describes the noun tea. So now prepositions. So a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. Prepositions are usually placed before their objects. For example, the apple is in a basket. In the given sentence, in is the preposition and the object is a basket. Conjunctions are joining words. They are used to join words, group of words, phrases and sentences. For example, Sudeep bought a car and he goes on ride. Here and is an example of conjunction. Interjection. It is an exclamatory word that expresses emotion. For example, goodness, what a cute baby. I hope you have learned all these. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for further updates.